Hello everyone. I, Dr. Vinod Kushwaha, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Hindustan College of Science and Technology, Faramathura. Now, I am going to deliver a very good topic of electromagnetic wave theory, which topic is based on Maxwell equations. What is the Maxwell 4 equations? I explained in earlier lecture. First equation is Gauss law. According to Maxwell equations, del dot D equal to rho, and second equation is del dot B equal to 0, and third equation is del cross E equal to minus dV upon dt, and fourth equation is del cross H equal to J plus del D over del T. These four equations used for Maxwell to generate electromagnetic wave. First equation is called Gauss law of electrostatic. Second equation is del dot B equal to 0, Gauss law of magnetism. And third equation is del cross E equal to minus dV upon dt. This is Faraday law. And fourth equation is del cross H equal to J plus del D over del T. This equation is called modified Ampere's law. So these four equations derived by Maxwell for generating electromagnetic wave theory. The wave equation for an electrically free space or vacuum containing neither free charge nor conducting current, that is, the charge density rho equal to 0 and current density J equal to 0. So epsilon equal to epsilon naught and mu equal to mu naught. So D equal to epsilon naught into E and B equal to mu naught into H. Epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space and mu naught is the permeability of free space. So in these four equations, we derive electromagnetic wave equation in free space. So in fact, for free space behave as a perfect dielectric. Now we write these equations for any medium. The equations are del dot E equal to rho upon epsilon. This is also the Gauss law of electrostatic. And second equation is del dot B equal to 0. This is Gauss law of magnetostatic. Third one, Faraday law. Del cross E equal to minus dV upon dt. And fourth equation, del cross B equal to mu J plus del D over del T. So this equation is equation number first, this one is equation number 2, this one is equation number 3, and last one is equation number 4. These four equations where rho and mu and J, where rho and J are charge, rho is the charge density, rho is the charge and J is the charge density, and epsilon and mu D equal to, for any medium, D equal to epsilon into E and B equal to mu into H. Epsilon and mu is the permittivity of any medium and mu is the permeability of any medium. So for a free space, this equation for free space. For free space, there is no charge. Where charge is not available, then that is rho equal to 0. When rho equal to 0, then current density J equal to also 0. The value of mu equal to mu naught for free space and epsilon equal to epsilon naught for permittivity of free space. So apply these conditions in Maxwell equation. So according to Maxwell, using these conditions, del dot E equal to 0 and second equation is del dot B equal to 0. Third equation is del cross E equal to minus dB upon dt, and fourth equation del cross B equal to mu J plus del D over del T. So del cross B equal to mu for mu naught and D equal to epsilon into E. Epsilon equal to epsilon naught, then epsilon naught del E over del T. This one is generated 4 equations. So these equations are 5, 6, 7 and equation number 8. Now taking curl of both sides of equation number 7. Taking curl of both sides on equation number 7. What is equation number 7? Del cross E equal to minus dV upon dt. Now apply the condition of curl. Del cross E equal to minus times del cross del B over del T. So del is moved to inner side. Del cross E equal to minus del upon del T del cross B. This equation is equation number 9. Now according to the vector identity of triple product. So according to vector identity, A cross B cross C. What is vector identity A cross B cross C? B dot A dot C minus C dot A dot B. Now apply this vector identity in above equation, equation number 9. So the equation is del cross E equal to, first equation applying del dot E minus C dot A dot B. Then the equation is del square E, because C and A dot B, del dot del square and E is the function. If you show the equation of Maxwell equation, del dot E equal to 0. This is known as triple product. This is called triple product identity. Now del cross E, this one is 0 minus del square E. So equation is del cross E equal to minus del square E. According to equation 9th and 10th, del cross E, the value of del cross E equal to minus del square E. So according to equation 9th and equation 10th, minus del cross E equal to minus del upon del T del cross B. So you show this equation del cross B, and del cross B equal to minus is cancel out, del cross B equal to mu naught epsilon naught del E upon del T, the equation of del cross B. So apply this equation in this above equation. Del square E equal to del upon del T, del cross B equal to mu naught epsilon naught del E over del T. So it implies that del square E equal to mu naught epsilon naught del square E upon del T square. This equation is equation number 11. Now the equation number 11 is, this expression is wave equation for propagation of electric field capital E in free space in Cartesian coordinate. What is Cartesian coordinate? X, Y and Z. So this equation is written in the form of del square Ex upon del x square equal to mu naught epsilon naught del square Ex upon del T square. This is for x coordinate, and y coordinate is del square Ey upon del y square equal to mu naught epsilon naught del square Ey upon del T square. And third one, z coordinate system, del square Ez upon del z square equal to mu naught epsilon naught del square Ez upon del T square. So this equation is converted in the Cartesian coordinate system. Similarly, in the terms of H, the equation is del square H equal to epsilon naught mu naught epsilon naught del square H upon del T square. So the equation is del square H equal to mu naught epsilon naught del square H upon del T square. So this is magnetic flux equation. This expression is wave equation for propagating of H in free space. So the electromagnetic equation is del square E minus mu naught epsilon naught del square E upon del T square. Now the electromagnetic wave equation for E and H. The electromagnetic wave equation for electric field E and H. The equations is del square E minus mu naught epsilon naught del square E upon del T square equal to 0. Similarly, del square H minus mu naught epsilon naught del square H upon del T square equal to 0. This is electric field equation and this one is magnetic field equation. Okay, na? Now, this equation for general wave equation for electric field and magnetic flux. Now, in one dimension along x-axis, wave equation is given x component of this expression. So, the expression are del square Ex upon del x square minus mu naught epsilon naught del square Ex upon del T square equal to 0. Similarly, for the magnetic flux function, del square Hx upon del square Hx upon del x square minus mu naught epsilon naught del square Hx upon del T square equal to 0. The del function is, we already told to you, the del function is I times del over del x, j times del over del y and plus k times del over del z. And the general wave equation, what is general wave equation? You know in the earlier sections. And del square y upon del x square minus 1 upon c square del square y upon del t square equal to 0. This is general wave equation. Del square y upon del x square minus 1 upon c square del square y upon del t square equal to 0. This is general wave equation. So, compare this equation to this equation. This is Cartesian Ex x dimension equation and this is also the general wave equation. So, compare these equations. Comparing these equations, now the value is C equal to 1 upon mu naught epsilon naught. Now, apply the value of mu naught, permeability of free space, and epsilon naught, permittivity of free space. What is the value of permeability and permittivity of free space for vacuum or free space? Mu equal to mu naught equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. 10 to the power minus 7 farad per meter, and epsilon equal to epsilon naught, which value is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb per Newton meter square. The value of mu naught and epsilon naught put in this equation and calculate the value. The value is C equal to 1 upon under root 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 into 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. Then calculate the value. The value is 2.998 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So, this is the value of velocity of light. So, we can say the electromagnetic wave move in free space is equal to the velocity of lights. So, this expression for electromagnetic wave in free space. I hope you understand this expression and say that electromagnetic wave in free space with velocity of light. Thank you so much.